Alright guys, what's up everybody? Larry Porter here, back with another video, back with time to unwind. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use a waiter's corkscrew. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys some value today and show you how to use a waiter's corkscrew for opening your bottle of wine. If this is your first time watching this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you do not miss any important updates from us. Now that we got that out the way, let's jump straight into the content. Now the waiter's corkscrew will be the one we'll be mentioning throughout today's video, even though you will find that these methods that I'm about to go over today on how to use this waiter's corkscrew would apply to any much corkscrew, because since they all are kind of similar. Now let's jump into these steps. Now the first step you want to do, you will start by removing the foil around the cap, if there is any, by using a knife or maybe your fingernails if they are sharp enough. Either way, just remove the foil from the cap so you can reveal the cork. Next, place the tip of the screw into the cork and slightly screw clockwise so that when you twist the screw, it goes into the middle of the cork. Then continue twisting the screw into the cork with even pressure until you get the screw at least halfway in, as long as it is in enough where it does not come out when you try to pull it. You will know when it's in far enough because the lever will begin to rise until it's horizontally straight with the other side of the handle. Once it's horizontal, the screw should be in far enough. Now press the lever down parallel to the bottleneck, while holding the lever parallel against the bottle. With the other hand, pull up on the handle with firm pressure. This will allow the screw to easily dislodge the cork the more you pull up on the handle. The cork should be out at this point, but if not, you may need to repeat these steps a second time until the cork is completely out. Now perhaps you damaged your cork when trying to do these steps. I did another video on how to preserve your wine after opening, so be sure to check that out in the video card above. My wife did a video on that showing you guys, in case you damage your cork, how to preserve your wine after opening, even if you don't have a cork or damaged cork. So be sure to click that card above to see that video as well. Trust me, it happens to me all the time. So there you have it in a nutshell, guys. Those are the simple steps on how to open a wine bottle with a waiter's corkscrew. Now you know what time it is? It's comment time. I want to know your feedback. What is your favorite type of wine? Is it dry, sweet, semi-sweet, semi-dry, off-dry? You know, leave a comment below. I want to know your feedback on your favorite type of wine. So if you want to learn more information about One Hope, click the link below to learn more about the One Hope community. Or if you want to shop with us, click that link below to learn even more information. I'm Larry Porter, signing off with Time to Unwind, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and share with others.